I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: the app, a charge tracker, Bluetooth on. First, open Found It and sign in. Next, make sure location and notification permissions are allowed so the app can detect devices. Put the tracker next to the phone and tap Scan Now. The app will search nearby signals and show a candidate list. Once a device appears, select it and hit Pair. This links the tracker to your account so you can start locating the item immediately. Once paired, give the tracker a clear name and choose the right category so you can find it quickly later. Then, practice locating. Tap Live View for directional guidance if available, or use Play Sound to hear the tracker. This helps inside a couch or drawer. Make sure you check the battery indicator and accept firmware updates when offered. Updates improve range and reliability. If you lose connection, move closer and try rescanning. Range and obstruction. To complete setup, enable lost mode and write a short contact message so a finder can reach you. This increases recovery chances. If the tracker won't connect, first restart your phone and toggle Bluetooth. Next, try repairing or perform a factory reset per the app instructions, because a reset often clears pairing faults. If the battery is low, replace it. Finally, rely on the app's community Find network to locate items beyond your Bluetooth range. This leverages other users' devices to report the tracker's last seen location.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.